I greet you all. Welcome to my film news. Today I'm going to update you about overseas clubs want to sign Kaizer Chiefs players. Victoria DC from Portugal's top flight is reported preparing to make a formal offer for Kaizer Chiefs striker. The Portuguese clubs had monitoring Dupre's development throughout the season, and it is impressed with his abilities. Kaizer Chiefs are rumored to be looking at 40 million price tag for the player, whose contract was recently extended until June 2027. The 22-year-old defender has caught the attention of the European clubs with his standout performances for both Kaizer Chiefs and the South African national team Bafana Bafana. A Russian club is said to be interested, but coach Nasreddine Nabi's trust is in Dortmund might have it challenging for the club to secure his transfer, with FCB keen to sign him as a replacement of Tungezani. The 20-year-old midfielder has been linked to a potential move to European club, sparking instant transfer, which French League One club can on signing Shabalala. Kaizer Chiefs could lose Ederson Dove for free, with Asian clubs keen on the player. The former Amazulu coach on signing up player for his Saudi Arab clubs. For more Kaizer Chiefs news, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can keep you updated.